declared an emergency landing for 28 right.
Cirrus. Fort Worth Tower, roger. Wind 280 at 10, runway 28 right, cleared to land. Traffic will be a regional jet departing in just a moment. Caution Lake Turbo.
28 right, clear land.
Jet 316, wind 280 at 10, runway 28 right, cleared to take off. Traffic 4 mile right base. The traffic on a 4 mile final for the south parallel, 737, 1700.
Okay, I'm looking for that traffic. I have that traffic set.
Roger, we have a quick waiting.
Tower 2. So I'm going to go ahead and make a right 360. I'm just a little high here.
Roger, share right 360 in approved.
55, it's 1 soul on board and 3 hours of fuel remaining.
Southwest 2244 taxi. Southwest 2244, stand by, emergency in progress. Plan a turn off at either Alpha 3 or Alpha 4.
What's your Alpha 4?
He has power and will be taxiing off runway. And he is over the threshold now. Proceed on runway 2 right at your discretion. Aircraft 1, proceed as requested on runway 10 right. Emergency aircraft has touchdown. First, and be advised, it looks like you do have a trail of smoke coming from the back of the aircraft. You can remain this frequency. And did you just want to taxi him down to the Atlantic ramp? There's no problem. I hope everything works out.